Oh my gosh, it's move-in day. Welcome back to this week's episode. It's move-in day. We're moving into the caravan today. I'm so pumped. Oh my God, I could barely sleep last night. Like a school kid waiting to go on an excursion or something. But first, I've got to go get coffee. If you haven't seen us before, my name is Phoebe, my partner is Tyler. We've got two beautiful boys, TJ and Jetson, and we are documenting our lap of Australia in 2026. So stay tuned, hopefully you enjoy watching. Come along for the ride with us. We can't wait to show you what we get up to. Missions. Wow, okay. Well, we're about halfway through the day. What's the time? 12:42. And there's a lot in the caravan, but then there's still what feels like a lot to go. Tyler and TJ have just gone to Crystal's to drop off a load. He wants to try and make the next trip the last load with the trailer. And I said to him, I don't know how I'm supposed to fulfill that goal because I just don't know how much is left to go. Everything's kind of everywhere, which makes it really hard. And then obviously I've got Jetson as well, which adds a whole other element to packing down and moving in. And I'll tell you what, I definitely underestimated what it would be like to have to cull and be really relentless with what we can take and what we want to leave or what we want to throw out. So yeah. Oh my gosh. We're in the van at my sister-in-law's. Oh my God, there's a nappy. Anyway, such is life. I just thought I'd do a quick check-in. We are absolutely buggered. We've still got one more load, the kitchen and the linen to go at the house. We have definitely overpacked in the caravan, which is going to be interesting, seeing as it was already really hard to cull what we needed to cull, but at least we're here for a week to be able to settle in and give the caravan a bit of a shakedown. I will continue to document what we're doing so you can come along and see how we do things. I reckon you're hungry.
Cleaning is almost done. Almost. Good job, brother. Good job. We got all hands on deck here at the house. Look at this. Yeah, vacuuming real good, mate.
I am absolutely shattered. Far out. Tell you what, I would have much preferred to have paid someone to do that, to clean the house, but more money to spend on fun things on the trip. I think that's more of a priority than, you know, spending money on cleaning when we can do it. But
Right, where are we going to travel, TJ?
We're gonna travel around Australia.
We sure are. Yay! All finished! Time to travel!